Slew of new laws going into effect tomorrow. They cover a range of topics from police accountability and juvenile crime to mental health and online dating safety. We told you about some of these at 4. Now a closer look at those new measures specifically tackling police accountability and juvenile crime.
It's not necessarily even the quantity, it's just how does it impact different areas of our society.
Some of these new laws related to juvenile crime. Various changes taking effect Saturday, like a juvenile must be brought before a judge within 5 days of their arrest, and allowing the court to order electronic monitoring if a child was charged with a second motor vehicle or property damage arrest.
Some reforms to try to bring it into balance and address the issues that we're seeing, and that is all the recidivism and the repeat crimes that are committed by juveniles.
Another new measure dealing with law enforcement, the act concerning timely reporting by police of a death. This measure stems from the deaths of 2 Bridgeport women, Lauren Smith Fields and Brenda Lee Rawls. In both cases, families claim police didn't notify them of the women's deaths.
If someone dies, they should be dignified, and the family should have the dignity, be given the dignity to get notice.
This act requires law enforcement officers notify a deceased person's next of kin about their death within 24 hours of identification. If no notification is made, the deceased person's next of kin are allowed to request an investigation.
This law is well needed. It's common sense. And it's supported overwhelmingly, again, by both Republicans and Democrats.
Some in the state legislature with personal connections to this law.
He had a cousin who died, and this summer, and the police took over 2 weeks to notify the next of kin.
He says mandating timely notification is important, but not the whole story.
I think we have to figure out how to get our numbers back up in our police forces so that they're able to do the right thing.
The idea is that we start here, and this law is not put in place to strip police officers of their licenses, of their certifications. This is not an anti-police law.
Now, you can find more information about these laws as well as a full list of all 80 going into effect tomorrow on our website at fox61.com. Live in the newsroom, Emma Wolf-Forst, Fox 61 News.